English Kannada future tense. I will go equals.
ನಾನು ಹೋಗುವೆ.
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you, thanks for tuning in. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your fun shortcut to languages. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more goodies and practice packs. Today you'll master the English Kannada future tense of to go.
ಹೋಗು.
With jokes, drills, and a tiny quiz. Keep your ears smiling. Your goal today. By the end, you'll confidently use all future forms, from I will go to they will go. I will go.
ನಾನು ಹೋಗುವೆ.
You will go, informal, one person.
ನೀನು ಹೋಗುವೆ.
He will go.
ಅವನು ಹೋಗುವನು.
She will go.
ಅವಳು ಹೋಗುವಳು.
It will go.
ಅದು ಹೋಗುತ್ತದೆ.
We will go.
ನಾವು ಹೋಗುವೆವು.
You will go, plural, formal.
ನೀವು ಹೋಗುವಿರಿ.
They will go.
ಅವರು ಹೋಗುವರು.
Form parade. Say it with me. Repeat after me, nice and clear. You've got this. I will go.
ನಾನು ಹೋಗುವೆ.
You will go, informal.
ನೀನು ಹೋಗುವೆ.
He will go.
ಅವನು ಹೋಗುವನು.
She will go.
ಅವಳು ಹೋಗುವಳು.
It will go.
ಅದು ಹೋಗುತ್ತದೆ.
We will go.
ನಾವು ಹೋಗುವೆವು.
You will go, plural, formal.
ನೀವು ಹೋಗುವಿರಿ.
They will go.
ಅವರು ಹೋಗುವರು.
Mini dialogue, the Great Doorway Mission. Listen in and spot the future forms. Smile if it gets silly. A. After work, I will go.
ನಾನು ಹೋಗುವೆ.
B. Cool. You will go first, brave explorer.
ನೀನು ಮೊದಲು ಹೋಗುವೆ.
A. And he will go get snacks.
ಅವನು ಹೋಗುವನು.
B. She will go grab the tickets.
ಅವಳು ಹೋಗುವಳು.
A. Will this giant fridge fit through the door? It will go.
ಅದು ಹೋಗುತ್ತದೆ.
B. Team move out. We will go after lunch.
ನಾವು ಊಟದ ನಂತರ ಹೋಗುವೆವು.
A. At 3 p.m., you, all, will go to the museum.
3 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ನೀವು ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಯಂಗೆ ಹೋಗುವಿರಿ.
B. Perfect. They will go right on time.
ಅವರು ಸಮಯಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗುವರು.
Quick call and response drills. I cue the English, you fire the Kannada. Big voice, bold energy. Say, I will go.
ನಾನು ಹೋಗುವೆ.
Say, you will go, informal.
ನೀನು ಹೋಗುವೆ.
Say, he will go.
ಅವನು ಹೋಗುವನು.
Say, she will go.
ಅವಳು ಹೋಗುವಳು.
Say, it will go.
ಅದು ಹೋಗುತ್ತದೆ.
Say, we will go.
ನಾವು ಹೋಗುವೆವು.
Say, you will go, plural, formal.
ನೀವು ಹೋಗುವಿರಿ.
Say, they will go.
ಅವರು ಹೋಗುವರು.
Culture tip, polite versus friendly you. Sound natural in real life, choose the right, you. To a close friend, you will go, equals.
ನೀನು ಹೋಗುವೆ.
To a group, elder, or stranger, you will go, equals.
ನೀವು ಹೋಗುವಿರಿ.
Bonus difference, not future, just handy, let's go, equals.
ಹೋಗೋಣ.
Keep it kind, keep it Kannada. Funny memory hooks. Laugh it in, remember it forever. A magic door opens only if you declare, it will go.
ಅದು ಹೋಗುತ್ತದೆ.
The door says, fine, squeeze through. Group chant before a trip, we will go.
ನಾವು ಹೋಗುವೆವು.
Your backpack nods in approval. A superhero points at the clock, they will go on time.
ಅವರು ಸಮಯಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗುವರು.
Cape, dramatically whooshing. Quiz time. Answer fast, then do a tiny victory dance. Translate, she will go. Answer.
ಅವಳು ಹೋಗುವಳು.
Translate, you, plural, formal, will go. Answer.
ನೀವು ಹೋಗುವಿರಿ.
Translate, I will go. Answer.
ನಾನು ಹೋಗುವೆ.
Translate, they will go. Answer.
ಅವರು ಹೋಗುವರು.
Translate, it will go. Answer.
ಅದು ಹೋಗುತ್ತದೆ.
30-second challenge. Ready? Say all 8 forms in order, no peeking. I will go.
ನಾನು ಹೋಗುವೆ.
You, informal.
ನೀನು ಹೋಗುವೆ.
He.
ಅವನು ಹೋಗುವನು.
She.
ಅವಳು ಹೋಗುವಳು.
It.
ಅದು ಹೋಗುತ್ತದೆ.
We.
ನಾವು ಹೋಗುವೆವು.
You, plural, formal.
ನೀವು ಹೋಗುವಿರಿ.
They.
ಅವರು ಹೋಗುವರು.
Nailed it. Goodbye and next steps. You did great, future tense unlocked. Thanks for listening to this Synapse Lingo episode. Keep practicing these forms in quick bursts, share a laugh while you do, and revisit the drills anytime. For more English Kannada lessons, PDFs, and audio, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time. Happy learning.